Tobacco abuse. People smoke tobacco in the form of cigarettes, cigars, and pipes. They also chew tobacco leaves or snuff a dry, powdered form of tobacco. All forms of tobacco are addictive and cause all sorts of health problems. As you can see just by looking at this person, smoking cigarettes have damaged his skin and he looks much older than he really ought to be. Effects of smoking. His hair is stinky, full of nicotine. Smoking caused wrinkles and premature skin aging. Smoking hastens hair loss. Tobacco has stained his teeth and turned them yellow. Smoking cigarettes gives him bad breath and hides his taste bud so that food doesn't taste as good as it should be. Smoking restricts the supply of oxygen. This lack of circulation can increase high risk of developing mouth cancer, tongue cancer, and throat cancer. The tar that is found in cigarettes coats one's lungs, which gives rise to all sorts of problems related to breathing. Example: wheezing, persistent cough, which produces a lot of mucus and blocks airflow. Emphysema, which damages the lung tissue, as a result of which lungs are less able to allow the oxygen and let out carbon dioxide. Smoking speeds up the heartbeat and puts a lot of strain on it. Smoking narrows the blood vessels, which reduces the blood supply to heart. This can lead to heart attack. The worst thing of above all is there is an increased chance of developing lung cancer, which is a terrible disease where there is a less chance of recovery and low survival rates. It is the most leading cause of cancer death. Do we ever wonder why people enjoy smoking even though they know it's bad for them? That's because when they smoke, nicotine is sent to their brain. It attaches to nicotine receptors and releases a chemical called dopamine, which makes them feel good. But once they had done smoking, their dopamine level drops down and they may feel that they want another cigarette to give them that feeling again. There are 5 simple and enjoyable ways to potentially boost up one's dopamine's level without smoking a cigarette. Protein food. Eating protein-rich foods like chicken, peanuts, and eggs, which causes tyrosine level to increase. This tyrosine aids in production of dopamine. Meditation. Meditation and yoga classes, which helps them to calm their body and relax their mind. Exercises. By keeping oneself active through running, swimming, walking, etc., which lowers the tension, stress, and reduces anxiety. Crafting, in which knitting makes a smoker to come out of this depression and knitting allows the dopamine level to increase. You can just might find a new hobby or passion that makes you feel better and great. Music. Listening to music and singing aloud one's favorite song releases dopamine in their brain. Try one or more of these activities which help you to come out of this habit. It is never too late to quit smoking. Thank you.